Hi guys, today I'm going to be making juicy oven baked chicken breast. So we're going to start with flattening the chicken. This makes the seasoning spread evenly throughout the chicken and even helps it cook faster. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. And then we're going to add 1.5 teaspoon of paprika. Then 1.5 teaspoon of oregano. And we're going to add chili powder. You can skip this if the paprika spice is enough for you and you don't really like spicy food. Then we're going to add salt. Here I'm using flavored salt just to give it some extra flavor. Then we're going to go ahead and place the chicken breast into an oven tray. Now add some oil and we're going to go and give it a good rub in. Once all rubbed in, go ahead and add 3 garlics and 1 small onion. I used red onions because of the sweetness it has, so this is my preference. You can go ahead use white onions. Now go ahead and place the tray in the oven and bake it for about 15 to 20 minutes. There you have your chicken breast. Please give this recipe a try out, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because there's new videos coming in every Mondays and Thursday. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. Go over to my Instagram, give me a follow and give me a DM if you have any questions or anything nice to say. Bye.